Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips with the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about an easy mechanic. We're all familiar with the taped grid, but that takes a lot of time. Recycle, reuse, repurpose the bags that you get produce in. It comes in different colors, so it can become an artistic element, although it pretty much disappears. This was from some oranges, and I just cut it down. Also, you can use up all those canning jars that you've learned to hate. Set that bit of grid over the top, screw the lid in place, and then you can go back and just cut that down so it's not going to show. It'll disappear. And then as you're ready, go ahead and design. The flowers fit in the grid and stay in place. Now you know how the pros do it.